And this video will show you how to publish your Lovable AI app on Google Play Store. First of all, you need to open your Lovable AI, go to All Projects, and select your project you want to put on Google Play Store. For example, this one. After that, you need to publish your app if you haven't. So after you will publish your app, you will see your domain, copy your domain and open this website called median.co and paste your domain right here. Click build your app, enter your app name and enter the email address. Then click start building my app. After that, you need to scroll a little bit down and click on download button right here and choose APK AAB file. Because we are uploading our file, our app on Google Play Store, we need to use AAB file. Click on build, wait again, then click on download and choose download AAB. After you will download the AAB file, you can go to the developer.android.com, create an account, but you need to pay $25 for one-time payment. And when you create an account, you can start publishing your app. So you just need to click create a new app listing. You need to enter all of the information, description, name, it's paid or free, and other information. So you need to add the icons, images, and finally you need to upload the AAB file and you need to click the publish button. And then you need to wait from 48 hours to 7 days. Usually this will take 7 days. They will check your app, and if it meets the Google Play Store criteria, they will publish it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.